those who are watching me for the first time, my name is Michy, and in this video I'm going to show you how I put on my clip-in extensions. My hair is relaxed, 3 weeks post relaxer. That's blended in so well. The same clip-in extensions as in this video up here, or maybe I'm gonna put a link to the previous video that I did. And these clip-in extensions are from Yves hair extensions. I just they're cleaned and I just straightened them. Going to show you guys how I put them on my hair. As you can see, I am 3 weeks post relaxer, and yeah. So this is what my hair, how it looks like. And I'm just going to show you guys how I fix in my clip-in extensions. So let's get started. I use the bobby pin to tuck my hair down here. So you're taking this two clips. We are done with the back. We're going to start . well blended. This side, we're still struggling. So if you've reached so far, I want to say thank you for clicking on this video and watching it. And if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more content from me, feel free, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell twice. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.